Hello, I'm Mark Schaldhausen. Because things on the internet seem to lose their date references pretty quick. Today is Thursday, February 15, 2024. On Saturday, February 10th, 2024, we made the 2-hour drive to the Los Angeles County Fairgrounds in Pomona, referred to as Fairplex, to see the Rail Giants Train Museum. As we were walking around the grounds getting there, I saw this model railroad, G-scale model railroad layout, so we went over and looked at it. And I didn't know it was there. I had found nothing on the internet when I chased model railroads and whatever else. Didn't know it was there. Evidently, it's only open one day a month. Sunday, I kind of wish they would set their hours to pair up with the Rail Giants Train Museum, but they don't. It's a club. They're all volunteers. The only thing we could do was take pictures through the fence, and they weren't very conversant. They were working on their maintenance. We did find out that even the next day they were closed for general visitors, even though that was their posted touring day. They were closed for visitors because it was going to be a special event. It's a beautiful layout. It's evidently free to see once you get into it, and I would love to have seen it closer inside the fence, but it's a 2-hour drive up, and that's just not going to happen. So here's the pictures we've got of it. There were a couple of trains running, but it's a beautiful layout. It's worth seeing, and I would suspect that if you were there, it would probably take an hour to walk through it. Hope you enjoy it. It is a fantastic layout, and they've got a lot of time invested in it, and it's beautiful. Hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching.
We were visiting the Rail Giants Train Museum, which is about 500 feet away from the Fairplex Garden Railroad, and we didn't know the Garden Railroad was up there. So after we toured the Model A cars, walked away, and as we were walking away, we see this complex, and according to its homepage, they were given a 100 by 300 foot area to develop. I'm not sure if that's the size of their layout. They're only open the second Sunday of each month from 11 to 4 p.m. I wish they'd kind of sync their times to the Rail Giants Train Museum's days, which is the second weekend of the month, Saturday and Sunday only from 10 to 5, I think. Anyways, they were doing maintenance when we were there. They weren't very receptive or very communicative. I tried to talk to a couple of guys that were working, and I obviously distracted them. So the only thing we could do was walk around the outside of the fence and take some photos. There were some trains running. There were some visitors inside, people walking around asking questions. It looked like they had 3 or 4 people that were being escorted by at least one individual that appeared to be very knowledgeable about the layout. So all we could do was take pictures from outside the fence as best we could, and move on. I would love to have seen this up close. We run G-scale, not a whole lot. We have we have 3 Bachmann engines that we bought used, and 1 USA train engine, and that's our total rolling stock, and we have enough to make an oval and add some little extra track to it, so we don't have a whole lot. But we do like running it. It's big, especially as you get older and you have eyesight issues and whatever else. This is a beautiful layout, but it's a 2-hour drive away from where we are. We're probably not going to get back up there. We understand admission is free. I can't confirm that, but I think that's what it says on the homepage. So I'm just scrolling through the photos, and this is what we have come up with. And at the end of this, I'm going to show you their homepage. This is the opening of their homepage, and I'm not sure why my computer took forever to load this, and I just had to wait, and not a whole lot of information there. Once the top half of the homepage opened up, and it took a while, I scrolled down and I found this, and it's titled The Latest News. The one on the left says during the 2018 fair, production company did something. January 2019 run day, December 2018 run day, drone group back in 2018. The only thing I found that was, I'm going to say current, was their schedule. They listed under the somewhere under events, they listed that when their next run day was, and it's the second Sunday from 11 to 4, and that's it. I didn't find a whole lot of quote-unquote current information on their homepage. I would have loved to seen this up close. We didn't have the opportunity, and we are not scheduling a return trip. Thanks for watching. This is a neat place. I'd like to see it closer without the fence, but not going to. Thanks for watching. Hope you get the opportunity to see it.